The universe is whispering. It speaks in a language we have forgotten. Ancient secrets, hidden right before our eyes. What if we could unlock them? For centuries, humanity has searched for answers. The meaning of life, the nature of reality, our place in the vast cosmic tapestry. We look to the stars searching for clues. The ancients, it seems they knew. They left behind a key to understanding the universe and ourselves. I Ching, the Book of Changes. Some say it's a fortune-telling system. But what if it's more than that? Some believe it's a language of symbols and energy, a language that speaks to the very fabric of existence, a quantum language, connecting everything, past, present, future, all interwoven. The I Ching whispers of patterns and possibilities, a cosmic dance of energy always in motion. Yin and Yang, two simple ideas, yet they hold the vast power of the universe. They are two sides of the same coin, always moving, always changing, never separate. Yin and Yang are not just symbols, but the basic principles governing everything in nature and human life. Two basic forces of the universe, like two invisible energy streams, flowing everywhere. They are present in every breath, every heartbeat, in the movement of the stars, and even in the quietest moments of our souls. Light and darkness, day and night, hot and cold. Each opposing pair is an expression of yin and yang. When the sun rises, light dispels darkness, but when night falls, darkness takes over, giving way to rest and rebirth. Masculine and feminine, strong and gentle, active and receptive. Within each person are both of these elements, blending and complementing each other, creating inner balance, expanding and contracting like the breath of the ocean, like the blooming and fading of a flower. All movement in nature follows this law, constantly changing, constantly regenerating. They are not opposites, but complements. Yin cannot exist without yang, and vice versa. The harmony of these two elements creates life, growth, and balance for all things. Two sides of the same coin, inseparable. If there were only one side, the coin would lose its value. In the same way, if there were only yin or only yang, the universe could not function fully. Constantly interacting, always changing, yin and yang transform into each other, creating the endless cycle of birth and death, of beginning and end. This movement never stops, like the flow of time. This yin-yang dance creates everything, from the formation of planets, the development of life, to the emotions and thoughts in each person's mind. Everything is the result of the constant blending and interaction between these two forces. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, from a grain of sand on the beach to cosmic storms, everything carries the mark of yin and yang. Nothing is separate. Everything is connected in an invisible energy network, a cosmic symphony of balance and harmony. Every note, every ripple, every movement is a rhythmic coordination between yin and yang, creating a complete, beautiful, and vibrant whole. The I Ching captures this dance, recording the laws of the universe through hexagrams and symbols. It is ancient wisdom, a guide to help people understand and blend into the endless flow of nature. It shows us how to move with the changes, how to adapt and grow in all circumstances. Like a river winding around rocks, like a Tai Chi master moving gracefully with each breath of the earth and sky, to find balance amidst chaos, amidst the constant changes of modern life. By understanding and applying the principles of yin and yang, we can live in greater harmony with ourselves, with others, and with the vast universe. The I Ching uses hexagrams, 64 unique combinations of lines. Each line, broken or unbroken, represents yin or yang. These hexagrams aren't fixed. They're flexible, like the universe itself. They shift, they change, and they tell a story. Each hexagram, a snapshot of a specific moment in time, a guide to understanding the present and navigating the future. The I Ching doesn't predict the future. It reveals possibilities. It empowers us to make choices, to shape our own destiny. There are so many stories about the I Ching's strange accuracy, you know? From ancient wise people to modern advice seekers, the I Ching has become a symbol of timeless mystery and wisdom. It's said that with just a few coins, an old book, and an open mind, you can discover deep messages hidden within each line, each symbol. These I Ching stories aren't just about magic. They also show the power of intuition and our connection to the vast universe, about its ability to guide decisions, warn of danger, reveal hidden truths. Many people have turned to the I Ching at important crossroads in their lives, hoping for wise guidance. Some say that thanks to the I Ching, they avoided unforeseen risks or discovered things that regular thinking couldn't explain. The I Ching's advice often comes in the form of images, short stories full of meaning, making the reader pause, reflect, and find their own answers. Some say it can even predict the future. But really, the I Ching isn't just a fortune-telling tool. It's like a mirror reflecting your soul, helping you see yourself, your life, and future possibilities more clearly. When you ask the I Ching a question, you don't get a sure prediction, but a deep look at your current situation and the choices you can make. But the I Ching isn't a crystal ball. It doesn't promise to tell you exactly what will happen tomorrow or who will knock on your door in the future. Instead, it encourages you to explore, to face life's big questions yourself. The I Ching is like a quiet teacher, guiding you with subtle hints, not easy answers. It doesn't give easy answers. Sometimes what you get from the I Ching is vague metaphors that make you think for days. But this very ambiguity is a chance to listen to yourself, to trust your feelings and intuition. The I Ching doesn't solve your problems for you. It helps you grow through each conversation with yourself. It speaks in symbols and metaphors. Each hexagram, each line of verse, each image holds a deep meaning, requiring patient decoding. It's a language of abstract ideas, personal connections, and feelings. When you learn to read the I Ching, you're also learning to listen to your inner voice, to see the world with fresh, deeper eyes. Its wisdom, often hidden, requires interpretation and reflection. It's not a journey for those in a hurry, but for those willing to take the time to contemplate, to ask questions, and to seek the true meaning behind each piece of advice. The I Ching isn't just a book, but a companion on the path of self-discovery and understanding the world. The I Ching invites us to listen to our intuition, connect with our inner wisdom, and trust the whispers of the universe. When you open your heart to the I Ching's messages, you also open the door to a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. It's a journey without end, where each question opens up a new horizon of awareness and growth. We are all connected to each other, not just by visible relationships, but also by unseen threads of emotion, thought, and energy. Wherever you are in the world, whoever you are, we all share the same origin, the same heartbeat of life. Each person is an inseparable part of a larger picture, where every action, word, and thought has an impact far beyond ourselves. We are connected to this planet, to every breath of wind, every drop of water, every leaf trembling in the morning sun. And more than that, we are also a part of the vast universe, where the stars twinkling in the night sky remind us of the immensity and wonder of existence. Every living thing, every particle of dust, is a link in this endless chain. Like the threads in a vast web, we are interwoven, creating a complex yet harmonious structure. Imagine a spiderweb glistening in the morning light, every strand important, every connection contributing to the stability of the whole web. If one strand vibrates, the entire web feels it. That's how our connection works. The I Ching, one of humanity's oldest philosophical works, reminds us of this connection. For thousands of years, its pages have echoed the message of harmony between humans and the universe. The I Ching is not just a fortune-telling book, but a treasure trove of wisdom, helping us understand the nature of change and the interconnectedness of all things. It shows us that our actions have consequences, even the smallest ones. When a pebble falls into still water, ripples spread out, touching the far shore in ways we cannot foresee. Similarly, every decision, every choice we make creates waves that affect the world around us. Even the smallest ripple can create a large wave, changing an entire current. Sometimes just a kind act, a word of encouragement, can spread positive energy, inspire others, and create great change. That is the power of connection, of the invisible threads we often don't notice. When we act together for a common goal, the power of the collective is multiplied. Small actions, when combined, can create waves of positive change for both the community and the planet. The I Ching teaches us to live in harmony with the universe, to listen to the natural rhythm of life. When our minds are still, we can feel the subtle movement of all things, and from there, adjust ourselves to blend with the common flow. This harmony not only brings inner peace, but also helps us face challenges with strength. Respecting the natural order is knowing how to accept what cannot be changed. knowing how to cherish each present moment. Every sunrise, every blooming flower is a testament to the constant movement of the universe. When we live in accordance with nature, we will feel peace and simple happiness. Accepting change as a necessary part of life is an important lesson the I Ching imparts. Autumn comes, leaves fall, then spring returns, life is revived. Each stage has its own meaning, and change is the driving force for everything to develop and evolve continuously. The I Ching is a guide, a silent companion on the journey of self-discovery and exploring the world. When we are lost amidst the crossroads of life, the teachings of the I Ching are like a guiding light, helping us find our direction and faith again. It is a compass to navigate the complexities of life, helping us identify opportunities and challenges, knowing when to advance and when to retreat. Thanks to this, we can make wise decisions, suitable for our circumstances and goals. The I Ching is also a key to unlock the secrets of the universe and ourselves. When we learn to listen, observe, and understand, the door of knowledge will gradually open, leading us to maturity, wisdom, and compassion. Within each of us lies infinite potential, just waiting to be awakened by the profound lessons from the I Ching and the connection with the world around us. The I Ching isn't for the faint of heart. It takes patience, dedication, and an open mind, but its rewards are immense. It's a journey of self-discovery, a path to enlightenment, a way to connect with the ancient wisdom that lives within us all. Take a deep breath, ask your question, and let the I Ching guide you. The journey begins now.